Hello YouTubers, and welcome to Front Engine Dragster Life in the Shop. I am doing more work on the 71 Plymouth Duster. Trying to, well, it had a pretty bad gas leak, fuel leak, whichever you want to call it. And as you can tell, I've removed the gas tank. And it's all pretty much rotten right there. Looks like water had been sitting in that little circle right there and finally just rotted through. This is the same duster. If you look at my other video, you'll see that I had to do some wiring in under the dash and around the engine compartment on this car. So yeah, in the process of still getting that squared away, as well as a few other little odds and ends, like the brakes. The car's got drum brakes on it, so they need to be, hopefully they just need to be bled again. This car had previously been worked on at another shop, and I don't know, I don't want to say anything bad about somebody else's work, but I'm just going over a lot of things here. Crooked exhaust pipes, you see the tips are kind of twisted. Straightened that one up, but still working on that, getting started on that. Like I said, I got to bleed the front brakes. They're pulling to the right real hard when you step on the pedal, and got to do another little adjustment in the clutch. Hopefully that's all that needs. Put the radio back in the dash and change the voltage regulator. And still got a lot of little things, you know, and if any of you guys that work on cars know that these little things eat up a lot of time and money and energy. So anyway, just a quick short little video. Doubt it'll be even 3 minutes long, just to show you what's going on. So watch the other video on this car and you'll get a better idea of what I was up against earlier in this project. This has just been a project car I've worked on for a fella that just over time, he just wants it right. And of course, you know, it takes time to make them right, because you're all the time finding stuff, and sometimes you got to reinvent the wheel on some of this stuff. So you got to straighten all that out. So anyway, there you go. All right, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and hit that little notification bell for more up and coming videos. I'm gonna try to post 1 a week or 2 a week. That's what I'm gonna try to do. I don't know how else to get this channel out there, but keep posting videos, I heard. That's what I've heard, so that's what I'm going to do. All right, they might be 30-second videos. They might be 30-minute videos. I doubt that, but you know, you get my point. All right, guys. All right, subscribe, like, and leave a comment. Thank you.